Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sunita from Arti Crafty. Today I am here with an interesting home decorative piece. So let's get started. Take A3 size black paper of 100 GSM. Now you fold it as I am showing. Press it on the fold area. Now you fold it again like that. Open it and just do the same as I am instructing. See, like that. Now again you open it and fold it the way as I am folding. Now we need a scale and start measuring for the face. What we'll do, we will mark at 21 centimeter from the bottom. 21 centimeter. For that I am using that white gel pen. So 21 centimeter. Now this area of 21 centimeter we will equally divide into 3 parts. So that is 7, then again 14, and then this is the bottom area. So we have here 3 equal parts of 7 centimeter. Now what we will do, we can draw straight line here. So for that you can use pencil or gel pen, whatever you like. So this is 1, 2, 3. Next we start drawing the eyebrows, nose and eyes, lips. So for that what we'll do, just draw a curve line. No need to take any measurement. You just about 1 centimeter you have to leave from here and draw a curve line. Curve line. And same here also you leave 1 to 1.5 centimeter here and draw these lines, slanting line up to this line. Okay, the first, second, third up to this third line. So this is for nose. Now it's clear. And we need this drawing. This is eyebrow and nose. Now we need to draw a eye line. For that what we'll do, we just divide this first one area in half. Suppose this is 7 centimeter, so we'll divide it equally 3.5. So here we have 3.5. So draw this line like that as I am showing. Okay, and then again same as we did before. No need to measure. So just you do that. You draw the curved line here, leaving a little bit area here, and this is the curved line for eyes, like that. This much. Okay. For the lips, what we'll do, just draw a line. First we mark here below the nose, 3 centimeter below the nose. Okay, so we have this mark. What we will do again, three centimeter from here also draw the line here. Okay, and that upper area draw one parallel line. Here also no need to measure, you can do as much as you want, that much is okay. Okay, so I am going to draw it with white pen. So now the last thing which we have to do, that is for chin area. What we will do, I have already done little bit. So what you will do, you just touching this second line, you draw. Directly you can join this line. I am going to do something different here. So this is like that. Okay. Now this is time for cutting this part. First, what we will do, we will take a steel plate, keep it under the paper, and now is take a knife, and this is sharp knife, so be careful. And if any small children are doing, they can take the help of their parents, so be careful. So now we cut here along with this line. This is for chin. Cut this up to here. See, we have this shape. One more thing we have to do, cut this line. This is for leaves. So now I have this golden paper. You can take any colors as you like, and this is A4 size paper. You have to stick it here. That should become up to nose. Okay, so this way we have to stick. But one more thing which is very important, that is we have to turn it over, so the line will not be visible, so we will turn it over. Now you fold it from this side as I am showing. carefully. Press it properly. Yes. So now we'll start gluing on the paper. So first of all, I just make sure you don't have to stick the nose. Now we need to fold it. Look at this, looking beautiful. Now we cut this extra part. Now do one thing. We'll draw on golden area for design. Okay, cut it along the line. You can keep this paper for decoration. Now this is ready. Next what we'll do, we'll cut the paper for lips. So I have this red, this is also 160 GSM, and the size of this paper is 5 into 10. So this is rectangular paper. If we will fold it and draw a line for lips, curved line. Like that. Cut along the line. From here, just we need to shape that much so that we can insert easily here. Okay, like that. What we'll do first, take any pencil pencil or pen, whatever you have, just roll this paper, wrap this paper on this. Hold it. Now we have this shape over there, exactly like lips. Now, see. Okay. So just check it whether it is okay or not. Now it's okay. See how I insert this. Okay. And now here we go. You can stick it with glue or Fevicol, whatever, and do it like that. It's ready that much. What we'll do, we'll take another red paper or any color what you like, and I'm going to make a design on it. Okay, this is also 5 into 15 centimeter rectangle paper. This circle, you can stick it here as you wish. If you are not willing to stick here, you just keep it aside. Now just take out the lips, keep it here. We will start decorating the mask. You can decorate as you wish. Okay. Gel pen or glitter pen, whatever you like and whatever available. At home. this design you can do as well, or you can do as your choice. So this is looking very nice, isn't it? Now we have to just stick it or you staple it. I'm going to staple this. Now just make a hole here so that we can hang it on the wall. Here, hole. I don't have now punching machine, so directly I am doing with pencil. Ready. One thing which we have to do at last, we'll assemble this. That's ready. Now one more thing, eyeball we can draw, or we can cut two semicircle circle for eyeball. We have this piece of paper, so we can do it. Fold the paper here so that we can get two semicircles. Okay, cut it. No need to measure it. Be careful, both semicircles should be equal, whether it is big or small, whatever. So now we have this, we can ready for decorating our home. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video and like this what we did today. So please like it share it and subscribe it. And if you have any suggestion regarding this, write it in the comment box below. Till then, be healthy, be safe. Bye.